Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change SIM card for mobile data on Android phone. Alright guys, let's get started. First of all, we can open our settings application on our Android phone and we have to click on this connection setting. And here we have to select SIM manager or SIM card manager. And since we want to change a SIM card for mobile data, we can select mobile data, and here you can select your SIM card you want to use for your mobile data on your Android phone. And I'm gonna go with my SIM 2. Okay, and now the SIM 2 will be used for mobile data on my Android phone. And actually there is another way to change the SIM card for mobile data on our Android phone. We can go to our quick setting panel, and here we can select mobile data, and you can choose your SIM card right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can change a SIM card for mobile data on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.